In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Binance. First, make sure Apple Pay is actually available for your Binance account and region. Binance's official help says Apple Pay can be used to buy crypto in supported areas, but availability depends on your country, device, and payment setup. Binance also says you usually need to complete identity verification before you can use this option. To get started, open the Binance app on your iPhone, then tap Add Funds or go to Buy Crypto. Choose the coin you want to purchase, enter the amount, and then look for Apple Pay as the payment method. Binance's official guide says that once Apple Pay is available on your device, you can select it during the buy flow and continue to payment confirmation. Next, review the order details carefully. Check the crypto amount, the total cost, and any fees before you confirm. Then approve the payment using Apple Pay with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Binance also has a separate Apple Pay deposit flow for supported fiat deposits, where you go to Add Funds and choose Deposit EUR or USD, then select Apple Pay and continue. One important tip: Apple Pay support may differ between the Binance app, website, and your device. Binance specifically notes some platform limitations, like Apple Pay not being supported on Chrome for web purchases. So the simple process is open Binance, choose Buy Crypto, select your coin, pick Apple Pay, review the details, and confirm the payment. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.